The install for the M&P 1522 buttstock that we have here. We also make some mag wells for the 1522 still that replace the actual barrel nut with our barrel nut, and then our handguard, so that it meets up nicely. For the buttstock though, you'll want to take off whatever stock you have on there, just like normal. So this one, I've got to pull these pins down all the way, pull it off, and then it has this little plastic rubber gasket thing. You don't need that anymore. Not exactly sure what that's for, but the tube is just hollow, and it's got this hole back here. Our buttstock should come pretty much pre-assembled. This is made so that you can tilt it so that the angle of it sits in the angle of your, between your shoulder and your armpit in there, more of a natural angle, kind of designed more for competition shooters. So just stick it on back, go all the way forward, and then take our screw here. It'll go into that hole that was on the back there. Bring it all the way down. Doesn't have to be real tight, but just snug it up. And that's pretty much it. If you want to adjust the angle, loosen these two screws to adjust the angle and also how far it sticks out. It comes with a quick disconnect that can be switched over to the other side as well for left-handed shooters. And you have 3 positions if you did want to bring the stock pad part up a little bit. So it's very adjustable. There it is, and works very nicely on the 1522s.